All right. So let me see who can guide me through this problem here. How
Um,
serious we are about solving this? What's the first thing we have to do?
Write your formula.
Somebody with a
sir, the formula.
somebody with a microphone. Can you just mute it? Yes, Vijay, go ahead.
You write your formula.
Formula. What's the formula? What's the formula?
A equal v. A or acceleration equal final velocity take away initial velocity over time.
Over time. All right. So what's our final velocity first of all?
25 meters per second.
What's our initial velocity?
Um,
Zero, sir.
5.
Who said zero?
all right.
Garrett? Garrett, you said
Yes, sir.
zero? Tell
Yes,
us,
sir.
why did you say zero?
Oh, for the second. Yes.
Because that's what you start
Oh
off
Oh,
yeah.
with.
you know I started off with zero. Where in the question did it say I started out?
It says you're starting from
Started
rest.
from right.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes.
right. So once we say we're starting from rest, it means then that the object is stationary, and if it is stationary, its velocity will be zero,
0.
right? So that is why the initial velocity in this case is 0 meters per second, right? And what's the time taken?
5 seconds.
5 seconds, right? So we can now use our formula now. Again, A is equal to V minus U over T, right? So V, we said it was 25 meters per second, right? And U is what?
Sir,
What's U?
0.
Somebody
0.
said, sir,
0.
divided by, what's this?
5.
T is what? 5 seconds, right?
5 seconds.
Right? So when we work this out, 25 minus 0 is 25 meters per second divided by 5 seconds, right? So when we work this out, what do we get? 25 divided by 5?
5 meters
5.
per second square.
5 meters per second squared.
Square.
Right? Any questions?
No, sir.
Um,